bags, so we do another unboxing. Ooh, package. This is actually easier than the Freddy. Yes. Ooh. Rockstar foxy. Yar. Rabbit. Funko it is. Yar! I'm definitely gonna review him with the Freddy Fazbear. Foxy? What do you want, Freddy? Okay. Gotta just open it up. Oh god, give me a minute. No. Foxy. Foxy the pirate fox, yar. Matey, meh. I don't know. Hi, meh. Foxy. Freddy Fazbear tag. Rockstar Foxy tag. Rockstar Foxy tag. Freddy Fazbear tag. They all look the same. We got Freddy Fazbear. Foxy Fazbear. Freddy Fazbear Bear. Foxy Fazbear Bear. Look at that parrot. Do. Mario? You? Wait, give me the camera. No. Make sure you like and subscribe, please. Because I killed my cameraman.